Shinshu Home Fonbyo Higashi Honganji. Don't put your foot on there. Wow. Slappish.
Go back.
Go back for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Yeah. Don't touch. Please don't touch.
That looks like a Look at little munchkin. I want to try. I'm the cameraman. How's the horsey ride?
Now it's time for the love.
I'm ready. There, 3, 2, 1. It's red. It's going red. Saya. Are you having fun? Samaya! Do we end it?
Just walked into our room here. What? There's a powder room, I'm guessing. Holy moly. This is the closet. And this is in Tokyo. Conrad Tokyo, baby. Ooh. Beautiful. And then you walk into this living area. Look at this. Got some sweet treats. What is that? Some kind of mochi? Chocolate? Yeah. Your nice big screen TV. Coffee, waters. Oh, and my iPad that I left at the airport in the plane. And look at this bedroom. Spectacular 2-bed suite with a chase lounge. Oh my god. Another massive TV, some crazy kids. But what is? Check out this bath. Ooh. Beautiful. Beautiful bathroom, beautiful amenities. This is the Conrad Tokyo 2-bed Bayview suite. Oh man, look at that. There's a TV in the bathroom. There's a TV inside the bathroom. No, in the bathtub area. Oh, luggage. I gotta say, I mean, the service at the Conrad is amazing. Here's a welcome letter to me from the Open manager. Look at this. With some beautiful cherries. Spectacular traditional dessert. I mean, I swear to God, Japan does hospitality at another level. Here's all the reading material, information. I mean, jeez. So cool. So cool. We'll do a quick tour of, you know, the minibar situation. In the room, you got all of your drinks, sodas, beers, you know, all at a very expensive price, as you are aware. There's nothing there. Here we go. And in here is your tea sets. Beautiful. Now these are complimentary. Your whiskeys. Your wine, glasses, beautiful cabinet. And here's, you got some snacks. And here's your nice minibar prices. Just in case you wanted to splurge a little extra. store. Kettle, as always. Nice. Last but not least is the spectacular Tokyo Bay view